How to fix TikTok effects problem. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix any effect or filter problem on TikTok. So just keep watching until the end. So first thing you want to do, open the settings and then go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it for 5 seconds and disable it again, and then go back to the settings again, open the apps manager. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is go to the TikTok app right here. After you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page. Now right here you have to click on this notifications management. Now you have to scroll until you find this badges option, disable it and then enable it back. Go back, click on this force stop here and then go to the storage, click on clear data and then click on delete. Now the last thing you want to do is update your TikTok in the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, you can do the same thing. Don't forget to like, subscribe.